Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add voice effects on Adobe Audition. Here's a detailed guide on how to add various voice effects in Adobe Audition, including EQ adjustments, reverb, delay, pitch shifting, and more. First method, make sure you have audio created. Then, choose either the waveform editor for single audio files or the multi-track editor for layered projects. Now go to Effects, Amplitude and Compression, Dynamics Processing. Use the compression to even out volume levels and make the voice sound fuller. Then hit Apply to save changes. Another method, add creative voice effects. Now that you've enhanced the basic quality of the voice, you can add creative effects to achieve various sound designs. First is reverb. Reverb adds a sense of space and depth to the voice, making it sound as though it's in a different environment. To do this, go to the Effects, Reverb, Studio Reverb, Room Size. Adjust to simulate the size of the room. Larger size produce more echo. Decay controls how the reverb lasts. Damping affects high frequencies and can create a warmer or brighter sound. Mix adjusts the wet-dry mix to control the effect's intensity. Hit Apply once you make changes. Another is delay. Delay creates an echo effect by repeating the sound after a short interval. Go to the Effects, Delay and Echo, Analog Delay, Delay Time, set the interval between echoes, Feedback, adjust the number of repeats, Mix, control the balance between the dry signal and the effects. Then hit Apply once to make some changes. Chorus. Chorus can add richness by layering slightly delayed versions of the audio. Go to the Effects, Modulation, Chorus. Rate controls the speed of modulation. Depth adjusts the intensity of the effect. Mix, balance between the original and affected audio. Hit Apply once you make some changes. Pitch shifting. Pitch shifting changes the pitch of the audio, useful for altering the voice's gender or creating robotic effects. To do this, go to the Effects, Diamond Pitch, Pitch Shifter, Semitones. Adjust up or down to change the pitch. Sense. Fine-tune the pitch adjustments. Then hit Apply if you make some changes. Lastly is the flanger. Flanger creates a sweeping, whooshing sound effect by mixing the audio with a delayed version of itself. Go to Effects, Modulation, Flanger. Rate controls the speed of the flange effect. Feedback controls the intensity of the effect. Mix adjusts the wet or dry mix to control the effect's presence. Hit Apply once you make some changes. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.